welcome to the club. With an ornate font and graphic style, you'll be proud to show off this bold piece and its hopeful message made with your May Club Couture transfer design. Your Club Couture shipment this month comes with everything you see here. The bee-sized Love Conquers All transfer and 3 paste singles in Guava, Couture Teal, and Peachy Keen. I've got everything here I need to complete my project, including my transfer, a reclaimed metal tray as my surface, some small dishes for my paste, a couple of squeegees, a small and 2 minis, my transfer trimmers, a water bath for easy cleanup, and my fuzzing cloth. Let's get started. First, I will remove the transfer from the backer and then press it to my fuzzing cloth. This picks up just a bit of lint and helps protect the transfer from stretching as I peel it off the tray when I'm done. Now I'll get it centered on the tray and all smoothed out so there are no bubbles or wrinkles, and then I can prep my first paste. I'm starting with Peachy Keen, and first I will knead the packet a bit, just to make sure the paste inside is mixed and the perfect consistency. I'll snip the corner off and squeeze some out in the dish. I'll do the same for the other 2, Guava and Couture Teal. And now we're ready to go. Using one of my mini squeegees, I'll load it up with Peachy Keen, and then I'm going to catch just the top border of the design. Now with Guava, I'll use a clean squeegee to chalk just the word love. These mini squeegees are just the right tool for these smaller elements and make it easy to be fussy with how you chalk it. Now I'm just going to peel back the transfer through the area that I have chalked, which will give me more time to work with the rest of the design. If the paste dries before you peel it, it will leave your design kind of patchy. Then I'll gently lay this back down and keep working. Now I can use my small squeegee with Couture Teal for this larger portion of the design, and that makes quick work of it. I'll peel this section back just like I did before, then lay it down and make sure it's still adhered to the tray at the bottom. Now I'll repeat my pattern using Guava for all, and finally another Peachy Keen border at the bottom. And there it is! Quick, easy, and darling. A little shout out to the power of love. This Club Couture design also makes it super easy to conquer some happy spring decor.